other day, I asked y'all on Instagram a handful of this or that questions to help determine my style for today and what I'm doing today. So if you missed out on voting, make sure to go follow me on Instagram, first off. Second, if you voted, thank you so much. Let's see what you picked first. For the hairstyle, we did either a slicked back look or my natural curls, which I usually do every day. And to my surprise, y'all did not want me to change a thing. You said natural curls all the way. So let's do a curly hair routine. First, we're using Shea Moisture's Curl and Shine shampoo. Oh yeah, a little bit more. I really do love doing my curly hair routine, so I'm so glad y'all chose this. A little scalp scrub. And now the Curl and Shine conditioner. Just got a new one. There we go. Hello? Yeah. The more the merrier, you know. I'm just gonna rake it through my hair. I'm gonna do a little comb and scrunch action. Yeah, I love a curly hair routine. If y'all don't have a comb in your shower, you probably should. Oh my gosh, I need a haircut. And lastly, while I'm still in the shower, I will put in the coconut and hibiscus frizz-free curl mousse. Perfect. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. And just scrunch it in. Yeah. Ooh, perfect. Alright, and now I put my hair in a little microfiber towel. Perfect! Just so it's not dripping all over me while I put clothes on. Alrighty, now that my hair isn't drippy. Woo! Okay, let's see what we're working with. Now, I just gotta dry my hair enough to be able to exist and let the rest air dry. Did I break this at some point, or I must have broke it? Oh, I did break it. Oh, I really broke it. Oh my god, that one's cracked too. This was expensive. Oh no. Ah! I didn't break any more. Not from that drop. Alrighty, so we're doing low heat, low air. I'm gonna be here for a little bit. Still a little wet, but it is at the perfect place to air dry the rest of the way. What's the next one? I'm gonna put on a sports bra real quick. Alrighty, what kind of makeup are we doing today? I gave y'all the options for a natural makeup routine, aka my normal makeup routine, or cat eye makeup. This poll was pretty close, but in the end, cat eye makeup popped off. It popped off. So I'm gonna do like my little regular makeup skincare routine, and then we'll go in for the eyes. Real. Y'all are putting my makeup skills to the test today, okay? I haven't done an eye look in a long time, or at least like a challenging one. We're gonna do a little bit of a smoky eye first to kind of bring the eyes up. Now I'm gonna go a little bit darker. This scares me. Brushing it up. Okay, and now I'm gonna lighten just my eyelids with a little bit of concealer. Okay, so I'm just gonna pat it right on my lid. I used to do this all the time. Makes it like sultry almost, you know? And now going in with the liquid eyeliner. It always scares me. I'm like, this could ruin the whole thing. It just could, and we have to be okay with that. We're going up and then down. I don't think I'm breathing. Things are happening. I just don't think it works with my eye shape, or maybe like my nose. Like, I don't know what it is. I don't think that looks very good. Why do I always feel like this makes me look like a bird? I don't know about this. So going over it with a little bit of black. Let's get that smudge going. Bam. Oh yeah, I'm feeling pretty good. I'm feeling pretty good about it. My worst nightmare would be I start to cry right now. All right, and now I got my little false lashes. Halves only. Bam. Actually, I need more freckles now. Do y'all remember when I tattooed these freckles on my face? If you want something done, just do it yourself. And that's all I'm saying. I forgot to put deodorant on again. Now, silver is my go-to, but I thought I would ask y'all, of course. I was a little shocked. A lot of people were going for gold, but in the end, 53% said silver. That one was pretty close. It really was. It looks like I get to keep my earrings in and my permanent jewelry. Let's stack it up, okay? This one is from Ana Luisa. Not sponsored, but go check them out. Big fan. Oh, that looks good. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I can't go anywhere without my rings. And we'll add my Gemini bracelet. My birthday is May 22nd, so everyone get ready to say happy birthday to me. Oh no, I don't know how to put on a bracelet by myself. Gotta get creative. Yo, this is so hard to do. Once I get it on, I also don't know how I'll take it off, but that's a problem for later. This is so hard. I have tiny fingers, I swear. Okay, that's it. I guess I have to get in a relationship now because I can't put my bracelets on by myself. Okay, that's it. Who wants to U-Haul? I need someone here to put my bracelet on for me. There we go. Oh, Gemini. I'll put my best friend bracelet on from my girl Tara. Pink is cute. I am anti-guns, but I will wear them on my ears apparently. Yeah, and that's on that. Thanks for the suggestion, everyone. The next poll was asking y'all which outfit I should wear. And I was not ready for the answer, okay? I would say mask or like mask leaning is more the clothes that I wear now. I would say a soft femme I would describe as like pretty like casual, chill, but brighter colors and more like feminine. But to me, I think my version of like feminine clothing is more in like the fit. 40% said mask and 60% said soft femme. Let's see what I have that works with that. We'll just see. I'm thinking lighter colors and yeah, just lighter colors. We could do this lavender shirt. We could do blue. I don't know if that's the vibe though. Rats tank top. These are a looser fit. Maybe just a plain white tank top. Yeah, and then we'll feminine it up. This might work. Adds a little something something to it. Okay, so, right, that works. Don't look at me. It is a little chilly outside, so let me add my Nana's pink jacket. All right, what's next? The final this or that y'all choose from was between a picnic or going to the movies. Honestly, I was excited for both of them. 61% voted for a picnic and 39% voted for the movies. Too bad, I would have watched a really good movie. Gotta roll up the sleeves. Gonna do a little bit of kale. Okay, I should have chopped this first. Rice, a little bit of pepper, some black olives, some black beans. I have some Impossible taco meat that my girl Bria made me. Now I'm adding a little bit of salsa, a little bit of ranch, whoa, and a little bit of freeze-dried chives. Beautiful. Y'all, this is the best drink. That's all I'm gonna say about that. We're ready to go. I feel so cute right now. Commencing picnic on my book. Unfortunately, as soon as I got here, my camera died, so we're on my phone now. Suddenly, I need to do this more. Sir, what were you just rolling in? Sir, what are you doing? We had so much fun picnicking, y'all. Thank you so much for all these suggestions today. I love not having to think. Y'all want to dress me tomorrow too? Pick my makeup the next day? I don't know. Let me know if you want to see another one of these and make sure to follow my Instagram so you don't miss the next one. Thank you all so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!